back to the driver's channel. Super hyped for this one. We're headed up to what should be an insane cars and coffee event. It's like 6:30 in the morning, so bear with me on the energy. Got the Monster right beside me. Hopefully it'll help get me going, but you guys stay tuned for this one. Should be a fun one, and I'll see you guys when we get there. My dirty car. TTRS is insane. Check these wheels out. These are crazy. Look at the like missing piece for the air, like insane. Huge brakes in there, sitting on the ground. Love the color. I don't know what this is, SQ7, yep. Color's wild. Got brown interior too. Step back into the 90s over here. R32 is gorgeous. I'm a huge fan of silver cars. I feel like silver really shows like the lines and the curves of the cars really well. The gunmetal wheels sitting on there. Fitment's insane too. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yes, sir. All the JDM booty back here. That exhaust is insane. This V is wild. We were actually cruising up with one of these on the way here. Sticker's crazy. My boy got pulled over. I noticed he was cruising with us and all of a sudden he disappeared. Speaking of, they think it was because he doesn't have a front plate on there. This blue is beautiful. Love the Cadillac center caps in there. Oh man, those are insane. Yeah, so sweet. $458, $488. Not sure, excuse me. Love the black on black vibes though. The details. Carbon too. That little horse is so sweet. Carbon splitter down there. Oh, with the red seats. Whew. The prancing horse is just so good. So cool to see. Yo, check this Miata out though. Starts off like a pretty normal Miata on the ground. 14-inch wheels maybe. Then you come to the back where the party's at. Got the hard top, got the roof wing on there. Got the trunk wing on there. Nice little exhaust coming out of there. It's actually really well done. Like it's like absurd, but clean at the same time. That's a good build right there. And I kind of like the contrast. Like normally I wouldn't like something like the chrome handles on there, but it works here. The AMG we cruised down with. Love the gray with the aqua stripe on there. Ooh. Stock wheels, so good. The brakes, carbon mirror, carbon roof too. Good for you. The yellow accents, smells fantastic in there. I like the little seal on there. It's like stamped. Beautiful. So good with the wing too. Y'all gotta let me know down below, what if I get a family race car, should it be a CTSV or what should it be? Some people have been telling me Lexus, some been saying M3. Also like the M340s. You can see the sparkle in the paint, crazy. Always been a huge CTSV fan. Beautiful car. Check my boy out. Aired all the way out. There's a level of commitment here that I really appreciate. I like the carbon diffuser too with the fog light down there. Good for you, that's sweet. Would be unassuming aside from the drag pack wheels on there, but see the intercooler down in there. Whew. Must be nice. I'm sure this is a good time. This IS is super wild. Check this thing out. It's like perfectly done. Engine bay is nasty. You could almost eat off of it if it wasn't so much pollen in there. Turbo is so crazy. Good for you, man. The details. See the purple injectors in there? Whew. The fitment. The tire. Whew. This is like the perfect build. The blue on this Viper is absolutely gorgeous. Probably only gets better as I get around here in the sun. Wow. With the black wheels. Crazy. Looks like it has orange stitching in there. Don't know if you can see that. Love how the red contrasts. And then got the carbon. Oh, man. Not usually like stopping for the new M2s, but this one is really well done. The black is the way to go with the new M2s, if you ask me. With the TEs, maybe? TEs? They got the BMW center caps on there, which is a good touch. Carbon roof, of course. I'm digging it. Still one of my favorite Supras right here. The attention to detail, the coordination, the hood. I love this hood. The copper just bounces nicely off the red. Mirror caps, seat covers, but they look good.
They were split.
And a crazy wing on there. Look at that. Fitment is wild. Crazy R35. I think this one's for sale too. I think he's asking like $130 for a monster. Interior, crazy. Baby seat, crazy. Got that carbon hood. Carbon ceramics. Just a wild build. GT3 RS. Orange is crazy. Porsche built a beautiful car with this one. Love how he kept the ends carbon. Monolocks. Whew. Carbon. Details, man. So good. M3, another one I'm considering. I'm not a fan of the way these cars sound, but they look good, make good power. Got carbon roofs. Oh wow, big single in here. CSF kit, it looks like.
What are you looking for, sir?
NSX is crazy. All the carbon. The gold TEs on there. Sitting on the ground. Look at this fitment. So good. Still got the V6 in there. The topper on there. People call those toppers. Ski box, luggage box, carbon roof. Maybe you can see the interior. It's red. This Vet's crazy. Might be able to see the intercooler down there because she is pro-charged. I love this blue. Carbon hood. TE's on there. Sounded insane coming in. The cam was hitting. And then I don't know if you can see this too, but the pink flake in the roof. There you go. That's a beast right there. The new Adro pieces on there looking good. Crazy how much that front bumper just changes the whole game of this car. Got the fenders and the skirts. Changed out the wing, got the carbon wing. He had a carbon wing, but this one's exposed. All right, guys, that'll do it for this one. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please, if you haven't already, go ahead and lightly tap that subscribe button for me. Got new merch link below, and appreciate you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.